Aside from the many performance cars that come through our inventory, today we'd like to introduce our recently restored 1992 Land Rover Defender 110. With fewer than 100 miles since the restoration, this Defender won a total powertrain rebuild as well as an entire restoration of its interior to near original specifications with EXMOOR trim. In addition, this Defender was equipped with modern touches to enhance daily drivability, such as LED exterior lighting, a USB-fitted dashboard, a SONY Bluetooth head unit, and a Rover's North AC unit. Also, to enhance safety, a full exterior roll cage is fitted to the car along with interior roll bar and full-size spare. With a 300 TDI 4-cylinder engine sending power through a 5-speed manual transmission, this Defender captures the essence of a classic Land Rover with the peace of mind provided by modern components and a thorough restoration. As usual, be sure to follow us on our social media channels and visit us online at jldauto.net to see the rest of our inventory.